Do you eat snacks during work? Do you eat snacks during work?
Yes, I like biscuits or fruit. Yes, I like biscuits or fruit.
Do you go to the gym? Do you go to the gym?
Not daily, but twice a week. Not daily, but twice a week.
What time do you exercise? What time do you exercise?
Usually in the evening. Usually in the evening.
Do you walk after dinner? Do you walk after dinner?
Yes, a short walk helps digestion. Yes, a short walk helps digestion.
Do you watch YouTube before bed? Do you watch YouTube before bed?
Yes, English videos or vlogs. Yes, English videos or vlogs.
Do you like learning English daily? Do you like learning English daily?
Yes, I practice every morning. Yes, I practice every morning.
How do you practice English? How do you practice English?
I watch videos and repeat sentences. I watch videos and repeat sentences.
Do you speak English with friends? Do you speak English with friends?
Yes, we try every weekend. Yes, we try every weekend.
Do you keep a diary? Do you keep a diary?
Yes, I write about my day. Yes, I write about my day.
Do you use an alarm clock? Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, every morning at 6:30. Yes, every morning at 6:30.
Do you snooze your alarm? Do you snooze your alarm?
Haha, yes, sometimes. Haha, yes, sometimes.
Do you like rainy mornings? Do you like rainy mornings?
Yes, they feel calm and cozy. Yes, they feel calm and cozy.
Do you take breakfast with family? Do you take breakfast with family?
On Sundays, yes. On Sundays, yes.
Do you take vitamins daily? Do you take vitamins daily?
Yes, for energy. Yes, for energy.
Do you clean your house yourself? Do you clean your house yourself?
Yes, on weekends. Yes, on weekends.
Do you cook on Sundays? Do you cook on Sundays?
Special dishes. Special dishes.
Do you water plants daily? Do you water plants daily?
Every morning before work. Every morning before work.
Do you check the weather? Do you check the weather?
Always to choose my clothes. Always to choose my clothes.
Before going out? Before going out?
Sometimes if it looks nice. Sometimes if it looks nice.
Do you take photos of your meals? Do you take photos of your meals?
Yes, for 10 minutes. Yes, for 10 minutes.
Do you listen to news daily? Do you listen to news daily?
Just light makeup for work. Just light makeup for work.
Do you use makeup every day? Do you use makeup every day?
Showers, they're faster. Showers, they're faster.
Do you prefer showers or baths? Do you prefer showers or baths?
Yes, I love apples and bananas. Yes, I love apples and bananas.
Do you eat fruits every day? Do you eat fruits every day?
Always. I don't want to forget anything. Always. I don't want to forget anything.
Do you check your bag before leaving home? Do you check your bag before leaving home?
Yes, it keeps me positive. Yes, it keeps me positive.
Do you check your bag before leaving home? Do you check your bag before leaving home?
Just 3 small goals a day. Just 3 small goals a day.
Do you listen to morning motivation? Do you listen to morning motivation?
Sometimes with my family. Sometimes with my family.
Do you write daily goals? Do you write daily goals?
Yes, I like complete darkness. Yes, I like complete darkness.
Do you watch movies at night? Do you watch movies at night?
Yes, every evening. Yes, every evening.
Do you sleep with lights off? Do you sleep with lights off?
Yes, I clean and cook. Yes, I clean and cook.
Do you talk to your parents daily? Do you talk to your parents daily?
No, I do it the night before. No, I do it the night before.
Do you help with household chores? Do you help with household chores?
I love peaceful mornings. I love peaceful mornings.
Do you iron clothes in the morning? Do you iron clothes in the morning?
Yes, a light fragrance. Yes, a light fragrance.
Do you like mornings or nights more? Do you like mornings or nights more?
Yes, to start my day happy. Yes, to start my day happy.